Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create Merliah Summers from Barbie on Dress to Impress. So I'm going to be creating her summer outfit. We need one item from VIP, and it's not necessary, it's just a watch. Select this hair and color it blonde, and I just colored this bank, no adjustments made. Then select these bangs in the same color. I think pink and then the blonde first. And then scale it up 2.6, scale it up. And then you are going to grab these shorts in this color. Wait, did I use this color? I forgot. Hold on. I think I used, hold on, I didn't save the color for some reasons. This purple color and then this pink. And then for the the bikini, we're going to use this in this pattern. This like summer pattern and in pink. Then I'm going to grab the watch from VIP. You can use the the thick bracelet if you don't have VIP. Select this and color it pink. This pink. FF468A. What is wrong with me today? Oh, I'm so out of it. Oh my gosh, I think I forgot the necklace. I think she does like wear this kind of necklace in the movie. I'm just going to color it in like purple and pink. Let me just save this color first. Like this purple and then pink. Maybe add like some blues in there, purple and then pink again. Then I'm going to grab the surfboard and I'm going to color it pink and blue. So pink and blue. I think I might go for a lighter pink though here, so maybe like this color-ish. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!